Hey guys, I hope you are all having a fantastic weekend. Sorry for the super late upload. I promise it'll be sooner. I tried to scramble this video up together as fast as possible. I posted on Instagram that the build video that I was doing, the footage got messed up because this is, as you guys know, a new camera. I don't really know how to use it. And the footage just didn't look good for whatever reason. It has these weird wavy lines, and some of you said uploaded anyways, so here I am. I didn't put as much editing as I normally do, just keep that in mind if you're new, and this was asked by the people who follow me anyways on social media. So if you guys aren't following me on social media, be sure, stop. Who's texting me? So if you guys don't follow me on social media that are watching this, what are you doing? Follow me on social media. I started kind of using Twitter. I've been using a little bit more of Instagram, so follow me on there. Also, side note, I am now back from CES. For those who don't know, I was at CES. I got a bunch of footage, and you guys will be seeing that tomorrow. Enough talk already. I think you guys want just to see the computer build. That the footage is completely failed. It's awful. It's if any of you know how to fix it, please let me know. I don't really know what caused this little issue, so that info would be nice. Would be really nice. But if you guys just want to see the video footage of the computer that I built, just fast forward to the end. That's where all the good parts are. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow with that CES footage.